Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, Cooking with Divina Salad Master Way. Today I'm going to show you the best way to wash your vegetable and fruits. I'm going to show you how to remove dirt, wax, and residue from your fruits and vegetables. So I use baking soda because baking soda is very safe to clean our fruits and vegetables. And if you read the label says hundreds of uses like cleaning produce naturally. So I love using this cleaning my vegetables. So I'm going to sprinkle 3 tablespoons of baking soda in my fruits and vegetables here. And then I'm going to add water to soak the vegetables and fruits, and make sure fill it up all the way on top of the vegetables. Just let it set for 5 minutes. So what you have to do is just keep rotating them like this yellow squash here. It's good. Okay, to ensure your fruits and vegetable is clean, just rub it for a few seconds and then rinse them. Okay? See, it feels so clean. You don't feel that like oily feeling. It's very clean now. The same thing of this one here. The vegetables. So I'm cleaning this lemon because I love to use a lemon zest. So this is how I clean my lemon. Looks so clean. So if you see the difference, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. This is the unwashed carrots and this is the washed carrots. You see the difference? It's so clean now. As you can see, the water is so dirty over here. My fruits and vegetables are clean. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope this tip helps everybody. Thank you. See you next time.